Hello and welcome everyone to ICO Central. In this video I would like to present you the XYO Network ICO. Before I begin telling you more though, I would like to invite all of you to subscribe to ICO Central and to also leave a like for this video if you find it helpful. Now, what you should know about this project is that it's pretty much one of the most awaited of 2018. It's one of the most promising projects with a very good perspective in the future. I also, aside from all these, XYO, it's also created and developed by a very dedicated team, and you can see that just by visiting the website and actually read the very in-depth details regarding this project. There are several types of documents: red paper, green paper, deck, technical one-pager, executive summary, and the white paper. You can read all these documents, get all the information you want regarding the project and so on. Anyway guys, XYO is basically a network. It's basically the world's first location-based decentralized oracle, if you may. And with the XYO network, developers gain the power to interact with the real world as if it was an API. There are several problems in the industry that XYO network is trying to get into. And the main problems are certainty and accuracy of the location, and are negatively impacted by the lack of trustless decentralized location oracle and platforms such as Ethereum, which is pretty much one of the second most, the most popular platform for building decentralized applications. Ethereum is pretty much a currency, and that's where it is. Platforms such as Ethereum and EOS have been used extensively for their power to mediate interaction securely online, with the primary use case of to involve escrow for fundraising in the form of ICOs. So to this point, every platform has focused entirely on the online world and not on the physical world, due to the noisy, corruptible, and data integrity of the current information channels. So let's take an example, guys. A physical example, a real world example where this project will apply. So let's figure that Amazon could offer its customers payment upon delivery. So the XYO network could report with an extremely high certainty that a package arrived at the customer's doorstep and then trigger the payment, not before. So XI is not only relying on its own devices, which they're calling sentinels, to gather for the location data, but also partnering with other devices and products which are connected to the internet that can detect, record, and or relay location data. So the XYO network will be built upon an existing infrastructure of over 1 million devices circulating in the world that were distributed through their customer-facing findables business. XI, Bluetooth, and GPS devices allow everyday consumers to place physical tracking beacons on the things they want to keep track of, such as key, luggage, bikes, and even pets. If they misplace or lose such an item, they can see exactly where it is by viewing its location on a smartphone application. So that's pretty cool, guys. Imagine a future where every device would have a tracking device, and you will be able to know every time where that device is, and not only devices, even bikes, cars. If your car gets stolen, if your bike gets stolen, well, to have your bike stolen is more likely than the car, but and you will know all over the world, due to the fact that the whole world is going to be a tracking device. There will be tracking devices all over the world, and you will be able to know if your car was stolen from US and taken to New Mexico or something like that, and then you can go to the police. Hey, this is my car, this is the identification code or something, and go get it. It's pretty cool. And it's an idea for the future, guys. It's an idea which has real applications in the real world, and it's much needed. This is pretty much the next big step to the future. A very connected world, connecting the digital world, let's say, with the physical world. And this is a prime step to do that. The website is extremely detailed, guys. I do recommend you to access it. I left a link in the description. So make sure to check it out. Okay. On the ICO bench, the project got some really high ratings from 8 blockchain experts. This ICO comes from USA. And before you can participate in the token sale, you will have to go to a know your customer verification process. So now, guys, how will the ICO go? Well, it's a bit different from the regular ICOs that you see out there. Anyway, so if you ask me how many tokens are there in total, I'm going to tell you unlimited for the duration of the main sale. So how comes? Well, an unlimited amount of people can participate in the token sale. Okay? If there are 1 billion people that want to participate in the token sale, then 1 billion people will participate in the token sale. Unlike other ICOs where you have 100 million tokens and only, let's say, 10,000 people can participate and buy. But no, not with XYO. Here there is an unlimited amount of tokens only during the duration of the main sale. Okay, so during the main sale, if they get money for 1 trillion tokens, they will sell 1 trillion tokens. Okay, but after the main sale, they will not generate any new tokens. And with 1 Ethereum, you can buy around between 100,000 XYO tokens and 33,000 XYO tokens. It depends when you buy, guys, because there are bonuses that will apply. So the sooner you get in, the better for you. And yeah, make sure to check this project out. I'm gonna leave some links in the description to the website and also to the social media. And actually, let's take a look at the social media that this project has. So on Facebook, it has over 2,300 followers, and on Twitter, it has over 2,500 followers. These guys make updates regularly. They interact with the community frequently. On the Telegram, they have over 6,300 members, guys. You can get on the Telegram group and chat with the members and with the developers of the project. Find out more, find out what the other people think about it, discuss with everyone in it, and see what they have to say. So guys, I thank you all for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and take care.